Today, our road trip adventure takes us to
Visit Shawnee.
I am so excited you're here today, and I'm excited to get to show off Shawnee to all the viewers. Thanks for coming.
So what are we gonna do?
We're going to start out with coffee and crafts, and they're a great downtown destination.
Come on, you can let your imagination run wild at Coffee and Crafts, where all ages are welcome.
order a macchiato and then try your hand at creating a masterpiece, whether that's with paint, tie-dye, or macrame, all from their supply wall.
Look at the concentration on your face, Rachel.
Jeff, you wouldn't know, but it takes a lot of work to create good art.
Well, next, Stacy takes us to one of the oldest museums in the state.
Mabee-Gerrer Museum of Art. It's Oklahoma's oldest art museum. They have so much fun stuff.
Awesome.
Jeff, this museum boasts being the only regional museum that features an Egyptian princess mummy, Tutu, plus the painting of Pope Pius X.
Yeah, and his eyes follow you like a Scooby-Doo kind of thing.
This really weirded Jeff out. He was like, okay, look at the eyes, stand there. Now walk over there. They follow you.
They do!
Jeff, let's show off our last stop in Shawnee, Play Space.
Oh yeah, Play Space is an indoor playground.
With the goal of providing a safe, fun, and engaging space for families of all types.
And you gotta love how they welcomed us.
Play Space is the perfect place to play, laugh, and hang out, and even get some good old-fashioned exercise.
Wow, you had to bring up that, didn't you? Exercise. You just had to bring that up.
You know, Jeff, exercise is a good thing.
Shoosh! All right, as you can imagine, Shawnee has too much to see and do.
Like 5 casinos from 4 tribes, world, national, and statewide rodeos year-round, just to mention a couple more things.
So, make your next adventure in Shawnee, Oklahoma.
This day trip is amazing and you're gonna wanna do it as well. Visit Shawnee.
Yep, pack up the kids. They can create some art, they can learn something new, and then they can run off the rest of that energy at Play Space.
Yeah, I'm exhausted at Play Space, but you did art. Can you show that off real quick? Is this art?
This is beautiful art, Jeff.
Sure it is. Book your day trip today at visitshawnee.com.
And then turn everybody who heard about it on Where in the State.